Welcome back to another episode of the Gripsion, and in today's video we will be showing you how to make a mini crossbow that can shoot arrows up to 30 feet. The materials we will be using for today's project are pretty simple, and you probably already have most of them. You will need a couple rubber bands, some stir sticks, regular sized popsicle sticks, and an EXACTO knife. So our first step is going to be to take a popsicle stick and just measure how long it is. So it's looking like about 4.5 inches. So that will be the perfect size to put another popsicle stick on like that. Now what we are going to do is we are going to chop off the end of a popsicle stick so we can attach our other popsicle stick to it like that. Now we are going to drill a hole here and here, so then we can put a rubber band through like that. It doesn't matter what sized drill bit you are using as long as it's a good size for your rubber band. You will want to drill this out with little pressure and high speed, or else your popsicle stick might crack, and that's not the best for your crossbow. Now that we have our holes drilled, now we can put a little notch in a popsicle stick like that, and then that will be the notch that our arrow will go through. I'm just going to do one more measurement to see where we are going to put the notch. Just take your time for this step because you don't want to crack your popsicle stick. Now that we have our holes drilled and our notch cut out, now we can attach our other stick to this like that. So you will want to put some glue on like that, and then put your other stick on just like that. Don't worry about that glue in the knot because we can just use a razor blade and cut that off later. Now that this is glued on, we can take a razor blade and cut off the glue that's in our knot. Now we just need a way to launch the arrow, and to do that, we are going to be using these rubber bands. Now that we have a rubber band cut, now we can tie it in these holes we drilled earlier. Now we can cut this tail off because we don't need it. And now we will do the exact same thing on the other side, only we will thread it through like that. Make sure your rubber band isn't twisted, and that will just improve the quality of your crossbow. Now we are going to take another popsicle stick and cut it at kind of an angle, and this will give us a nice handle for a crossbow. So it will be attached just like that with some hot glue, so I'll go ahead and do that. Now our crossbow is pretty much complete, but now we need some arrows because you can't make a crossbow without arrows. And for that, we have some coffee stir sticks. These are pretty much just long and thin popsicle sticks, and that will give us a nice projectile to launch out of our crossbow. So what you will want to do is you will want to measure how long your crossbow is with your arrow, and just have it a tiny bit longer than your crossbow, and that will give you a nice sized arrow. So cut it like that, and then flip it over and cut a notch in it, being careful not to crack your stick or cut it in half. Now what you've just made is a mini crossbow that can shoot arrows quite far. And now what you can do is, if you want to take it one step further, you can make a point on the tip of your arrow. Make sure you're only pointing this thing at targets because it's quite powerful and it could really hurt somebody. 3, 2, 1. Look at that, it actually stuck into this foam target. That was so cool. Let's try that again, that was awesome. 3, 2, 1. It did it again. That's so cool how it can stick into a foam target. 3, 2, 1. That's so much fun. Three, 2, 1. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this awesome project, make sure to click up there to subscribe so you never miss any new videos. And if you want to watch some more videos, just click over there, and I'll see you in our next video.